Introduce highlight features or overview summary for Leomru 1.5 HP self-primming pool pump. You can find wanted here. Shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs. Filter by specification, type, brand and more. Highlight features or overview summary are include 1.5 HP in/above ground pool pump. Equipped with an advanced impeller, this self-priming pool pump delivers a maximum speed of 3,450 rpm and a flow rate of up to 6,498 gph, with a lift height of up to 50.8 feet. It operates efficiently in water temperatures up to 122 degrees Fahrenheit. Powered by a 1.5 HP, 1100 watt, copper wire motor, it supports dual voltage input, 115 volt/230 volt, for enhanced efficiency, safety, and quieter performance. A built-in voltage selector on the motor allows for easy switching between voltages. Sturdy and safe. Constructed from commercial-grade reinforced thermoplastic, this pump offers exceptional strength, durability, and corrosion resistance. Its one-piece design is IP55 waterproof and features high-quality O-rings to prevent leaks and enhance sealing performance. A built-in automatic thermal overload protector guards against overheating, while the included 38.5-inch power cord ensures both safety and energy efficiency. Detail-oriented design. Features an extra-large, detachable filter basket for easy cleaning and extended maintenance intervals. The transparent lid provides a clear view of the strainer's interior for quick inspection. A convenient bottom drain plug allows for effortless water drainage. Note: do not operate the pump without filling it with water, as dry running may damage the mechanical seal and impeller. Wide applications. Designed with female and slip union connections for quick, tool-free installation. Ideal for use in swimming pools, hot tubs, spas, thermal springs, and irrigation systems. Note: not suitable for storable pools. The package includes a pool pump, two 1.5 inches and 2 inches PVC pipe fittings, two 1.25 to 1.5 inches PVC hose fittings, and a user manual. Everything you need for easy and convenient setup. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe, recommend new products releases, update all day YouTube channel, to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.